This is one of those where I say, yeah, I can fix it. I can, but I won't guarantee or give any guarantees or warranty after this, because I mean, we'll fix it, but yeah. I got it clamped together as much as I could, and we're just gonna brace that sucker in and see how long it lasts. Here's the finished product. So, corroded line set, bad capacitor. My bets are that there's a hard start, so the compressor kept running, the fan motor wasn't spinning because the capacitor was weak, built up pressure in the coil, blew out that. I mean, I've never seen it blow out like that before, and it was weak, so that would make sense. Pressure testing to 300, and we are good. I mean, that's all the nitrogen I had on me. I would have ran it all the way up to 500 if I could, but it's golden. We're not leaking anymore, so we're just gonna, fingers crossed, it will run for the next, I don't know how long, until the resident decides to get a new unit. Thanks guys for watching. We'll see you later with another video like this. Oh, and also please give me a like and follow, but I'd greatly appreciate it.